Moonwalkers and the Crescent Tribe have been at war for over 100 years. But today, the fiercest warrior of the Moonwalkers, the Moonwalker clan, my son, Phoenix, has defeated Connor. From this day forward, there is no more Crescent Clan in this world!
Father, the victory is all because of your wise leadership.
You too shall become a very wise leader soon, my son.
How can someone with a human mother, a dirty-blooded werewolf, be worthy of being our leader? My mother was the previous Luna. Father, if I would go instead, I could achieve the same victory. Don't forget, I'm the leader of the Dawn Division, and we are exceptional as well.
Father, I got some surprise for you.
Oh?
I got close to Connor to become his adopted daughter, and being kept as a captive of the Moonwalkers clan is for approaching Roman. Father, I finally got a chance to make a revenge for you.
I heard that you're Connor's child, the one with the human mother. Only recently back from the tribe,
So what?
You're not afraid of me?
I believe that since you allowed me to stay, I'll be safe.
I mean, you remind me of someone I knew. You are nothing like Connor.
Oh, really? Connor said the same thing.
Olivia. Damn it. I thought you were on vacation.
Roman, I'm not just a jealous wife. I come here because of her. We should kill her as soon as possible to prevent any disaster for our tribe.
Her? Disaster? What's going on?
Respected leader, I brought Luna because my crystal ball showed me that might be an unsafe factor by your side.
Adler, you and this crystal ball. Do you not think that in today's day and age we should rely on science?
Roman, are you questioning the elders of our wolf tribe? Your safely concerns the whole tribe.
Fine. But there's no need to kill her. Just keep her away from me. My respected elder. Adler, I am the leader.
I guess so.
Now, send her to Phoenix's room. Now, send her to Phoenix's room. Die, traitor!
Were you having a nightmare?
So what?
Oh no. Why do I feel spark of attraction to her? But sure. It's your duty. Her father is the one who killed my mother. It's in lowly Omega. I heard you only reunited with Connor 3 months ago.
So what?
The battle even not begun. He just gave it to me. Begging me to spare his life.
But you still killed him in the end.
No,
I don't misunderstand. I mean, what's done is done. I wasn't that close with him. I just want to live for myself, okay?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Emily, What are you doing here?
I wanted to accompany me to go for shopping, but who is she?
This is my Omega.
Oh, so this is Coroner's daughter with a human? Phoenix, how could it be with someone poor like this? Your future leader,
I said, she's an Omega. And now, go get some coffee.
Phoenix, considering that you just killed Coroner, it might be dangerous for you to.
Enough. We don't need to worry about these things.
Damn it, stupid bitch! How can you be so foolish? This is limited edition! Damn it, stupid bitch! How can you be so foolish? This is limited edition!
Go. Clean the mess.
I think using your dress would be more sincere. Coffee tastes so good, doesn't it?
You crazy woman!
Enough.
You didn't see she hit me first!
So what? You sound lovely on me.
Phoenix, you're too kind. Let me teach her a lesson.
I don't understand, Phoenix. How could you want to marry such a superficial, crazy woman?
Are you talking about me? Have you heard that? He called me just crazy woman.
So you're just gonna stand by while she's being bullied? It seems your coldness matches with this lunatic. Let's go.
Stanley, do something. Your brother is so rude.
I thought you might be hungry.
Thank you.
You know, Phoenix wasn't always like this.
It's okay. After all, he's going to be the leader, and I'm just an Omega.
Don't think like that. I will talk to my father to pardon you, so you can become one of us. So, have you fallen in love with me already?
You're just as narcissistic as your brother.
I'm way more handsome than him. I said I will definitely help you.
Well, I suppose I need to wait until the day you become the leader.
Perhaps that day will come sooner than you think.
Okay, thank you for the sandwich. I think I should go now.
And if you encounter any trouble, you can come to me. Her essence is so exciting. I will claim everything that belongs to Phoenix.